Already have your data inside a spreadsheet? With the Jotform Claude app, you can instantly turn spreadsheets into fully functional online forms without rebuilding everything manually. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a form from a spreadsheet using the Jotform Claude app. Let's get started. First, open Claude. On the left-hand side, expand the menu and go to Customize. From here, select Connectors. Search for Jotform and click Connect. If you're already signed into Jotform, Claude may automatically recognize your account. Open the Jotform connector and make sure permissions are set to Always Allow. This allows Claude to create and manage forms directly through chat. Now, click the plus icon to start a new chat. Instead of building a form from scratch, let's use an existing spreadsheet. Drag and drop your spreadsheet file into Claude. In this example, we'll upload leads2026.xlsx. Once the upload is complete and the file appears inside the chat, type "Create a form to help me collect data in this format, leads2026.xlsx." Claude analyzes the spreadsheet structure and automatically begins generating the form for you. In just a few moments, your form is ready with fields created based on the spreadsheet columns. Jotform automatically maps spreadsheet columns into matching form fields, helping you avoid rebuilding your spreadsheet structure manually. For example, a name column may become a short text field. Company name becomes another text field. Lead source may become a drop-down, and follow-up date can automatically become a date field. Claude analyzes spreadsheet headers and data patterns to decide which field types make the most sense. Claude also provides a link to open the generated form directly in Jotform if you'd like to review it further. But one of the best parts is you can continue editing the form directly through chat. Let's make a quick update. Type, "Can you rename this to Leads Collection Form 2026? Claude instantly updates the form title. Let's make another improvement. Type, "Can you add a details field for extra lead details?" Claude automatically updates the form. This makes it easy to refine your generated form naturally through conversation. Now, let's open the form in Jotform and review the results by clicking Edit in Jotform and Open Link. Notice how the spreadsheet columns have already been converted into structured form fields automatically? Instead of rebuilding fields manually, your spreadsheet structure is already ready to collect information online. And you're not limited to one file type. You can upload CSV, XLS, or XLSX files directly inside Claude to generate forms automatically. Whether you're working with leads, registrations, surveys, internal requests, or customer data, spreadsheet to form conversion can dramatically speed up setup. And yes, after the form is generated, you can continue customizing everything however you like. Add or remove fields, update layouts, rename forms, or adjust field types before sharing. And that's how you can create forms from spreadsheets using the Jotform Claude app. Turn spreadsheet columns into ready-to-edit online forms in seconds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.